My name is Hank Unger. I am with the Araka Group, and we do merchandising for Broadway shows, rock concerts, arena tours, and we also produce Broadway shows. The manufacturing that we do is we create apparel for the merchandising, so it would be screen printing. We started investigating what ERP should we choose. We heard from a lot of different people that NetSuite was really good for us. As in any type of project like this where it's large and you're trying to impart your business in a short period of time to individuals, there was definitely a learning curve, and Gurus being best in breed for supporting that process and understanding NetSuite was a terrific asset. The sales team is tireless in finding out answers to questions and almost as knowledgeable as the consultants themselves, and that was very impressive to me. And because of that, Gurus gave us an initial confidence in a very short period of time. We have gone from legacy challenges of having multiple systems and multiple redundancies creating slowdowns to be able to close our books quickly and on a timely basis, as well as begin to have analysis by division, by particular project that we're working on or a client. We've only scratched the surface of what's possible, but we can only affect so much change at a time to then go for the next level of change and leveraging the full power of NetSuite. I would very much recommend Gurus as a company to work with on the consultation for NetSuite. From my experience as a client, Gurus, I believe, wants to be in business for the long-term success as opposed to short-term gains. And I was impressed with that because Gurus really was very honest about the strengths of NetSuite, the limitations of NetSuite, and how we should budget our overall spend and implementation.